You want to choose healthier foods and beverages with antioxidants to support your energy and fitness this holiday season. And it starts with stocking your fridge with good for you food and drink so that it's easy to make the healthy choice as soon as you get hungry or thirsty. One of my staples is Palm Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice. It's a simple, delicious way to fuel your day with antioxidants, and it's a good option for a quick refuel, especially if you have a busy schedule or you need something right before or after a workout. You can enjoy it right from the bottle, or you can make my Palm Ginger sports drink by mixing Palm with water and adding some dried ground ginger as well as some salt. It's perfect to energize and hydrate you before exercise or to replenish those fluids and energy after exercise. Palm is a great way to power your day with antioxidants that fight free radicals that can do damage to body cells. Palm has 4 times the antioxidants of green tea on average, and they optimize the potential antioxidant benefits by whole pressing the pomegranates. So you get the antioxidants from the rind, the pith, and the arils. Each 16-ounce bottle gives you the juice of 4 whole-pressed pomegranates, and there's never anything else. No added sugar, no fillers, no preservatives. You want to start powering your day from the get-go too, so if you need an easily digestible breakfast a couple hours before exercise, make a Palm smoothie bowl. It's gorgeous, and you simply blend Palm with yogurt and frozen fruit, and then you can top with some pistachios for better-for-you fat and mandarins for vitamin C. You can also pull it together as a quick blend of carbs and protein after a workout too. Now, I also love that Palm Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice is a good source of potassium, an important electrolyte for healthy muscle function. A serving gives you about as much as an average banana, which is pretty significant. And you can enjoy that potassium and antioxidant throughout the day because your body doesn't forget that you worked out after your post-workout snack. So if you want to get cozy and relax and have a warm beverage, simmer Palm with fall aromatics, and then you can enjoy them in a Palm spiced cider. Now, we can't talk fitness without talking protein, and you can add antioxidants to your protein and add some healthy fat with a Palm glazed salmon. Just reduce your Palm with fresh ginger and garlic and some low-sodium soy sauce, and your post-workout entree will never taste better. Just make sure you have leftovers, because when you do need something really quick to replenish carbohydrate and protein after a workout, you'll want to pair that Palm glazed salmon with some avocado toast. It's a delicious way to quickly and easily get in those nutrients and antioxidants. Now, if you want more information for all things Palm Wonderful, find them on social media at Palm Wonderful.